Hey everybody, it's the Doll Boy, and today I'm back with another Rainbow High review. In my previous review and restyle for Georgia, I asked you which doll I should review next, and most of you requested Daphne Minton. So here we go. Daphne is the mint green girl from series 3 of Rainbow High. And in real life, I actually love this doll so much more than I initially expected. At the top of the box, it shows Daphne's full name and the series 3 emblem. And on the bottom, it tells you that you can find Rainbow High on YouTube, where we also have seen some snippets of Daphne. I'm really curious to see more of her in the webisodes though, because I'm very interested to see what she's like. On that side, you can also see the second outfit that comes with the doll. And on the bottom, there are the headshots of all the series 3 characters, this time in the wrong colors. Then on the back, we get the full artwork, thankfully in the correct shades, with Daphne Minton in green. And it still says, "Welcome to Rainbow High, the boldly colorful art school, full of bold fashions and even bolder drama." And then on the other side, there's this new feature where it tells you that Daphne is an accessory design focus. And it also lists all the things this doll includes. So now, let's just take this doll out of the box. For this, I cut the tape on the top, side and bottom, so I can open up the back of the box. This allows you to take out that clear bag with the turquoise stand and hangers that now say Rainbow on it. Then you can take out that section that holds the second outfit, and the shoes were actually still stuck in the box, but those also come out separately. Then you can also remove the inner box that holds the doll. To take off the doll from this backing, I carefully cut away all of the tags, being really careful not to cut the actual doll or her hair, which is actually quite challenging, especially for those tags on her head. That box also comes with a little comb in the same plastic as the doll stand. Right out of the box, this doll is way prettier than I thought, with her mint hair that has some icy blue metallic highlights, similar to what Violet had in the first wave. And this hair also has some pretty decent waves in it. Just like in George's hair, Daphne does have that very distinct sectioning in the back of the hair from the box. And I also don't think there's any product in the hair from the start, which gives it a very soft touch. I am still gonna be washing the hair out and restyling it later, so stay tuned for that. Daphne's face is very pretty, with these thick, dark blonde eyebrows. And she's got that new eye shape that is much less rounded, which gives her a very unique look. She still has the real lashes like always, and she's finishing that up with a very nice ombre lip. For Daphne's eyeshadow, she's wearing some glitter at the upper lid and bottom lash line too, and I did see quite a couple of Daphne dolls in store that had uneven glitter on the eyes. So if you are picky about your dolls like me, that is something you might want to pay a little extra attention to. This doll also is wearing some giant golden hoop earrings that spell out rainbow on both sides. She's wearing this golden, white, and mint color jacket with a golden zipper detail, and the print is going all the way around. You can take off that jacket, but right out of the box it is attached to the skirt with some tags. So you want to be very careful while taking that off. Underneath the jacket, Daphne is wearing this tank top, which I think is a very nice basic piece to have, with some golden details around the band that also go all the way around. She pairs that with this skirt, which really reminds me of Bella's outfit, which actually might make a pretty cute look for the twins together. The skirt also has this little tie on the bottom as an added detail. The shoes are these strappy heels in her original mint color, with a clear strap in the front and some golden painted details. The second pair of shoes are pretty simple too, and have some white and golden painted details, which actually looks like a zipper, which I think is a very cool addition. The gold paint on my shoes was a little uneven, but that should be a pretty easy fix with some metallic golden paint. Her second outfit is one I definitely prefer over that first look, because it has jeans. And as you probably know by now, jeans on dolls is something I really love. And for this one, I think it's really cool how they incorporated patches of several shades of that mint color, and the golden details too, making these jeans also look great with that first jacket Daphne comes with. On top of that, Rainbow High really knows how to make a cool pair of jeans with functional front and back pockets and belt loops, and these pants also spell out Rainbow High in white. There's also another white t-shirt with some printed on details that says Rainbow, which does go around all the way through the back. Then for her second jacket, it's this very nice soft material, and it has some golden embroidery around the edges, and again some working pockets. Honestly, I feel like Daphne has one of the most cohesive outfits in this entire series, where all the pieces tie in with each other so well, giving you some great mix and match options. And I think this look might be my favorite one so far, with either one of the jackets. Another thing I really love about these Rainbow High dolls is that their nails are painted in the same color scheme. For the hair restyle on this doll, I simply started by brushing out all of the hair with the comb she came with. Then I rinsed out the hair with cold water. This makes sure you don't lose the texture, and I really wanted to play with these waves a bit more. Then I also filled up my sink with warm water and dipped in the very top to get those roots to sit the way I wanted without that giant split in the back. After that, I wrapped all the hair around my straws, making sure to twist the strands around the straw like this to get more of that wave instead of a perfect ringlet curl. I really love how that turned out, and I hope you do too. If you want to get a more in-depth tutorial on how I created these waves, make sure to let me know in the comments below, and I might create a full tutorial about these girls. Also leave a thumbs up on this video if you enjoyed the review, and let me know which Rainbow High doll to unbox next. And to stay updated on more doll videos, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram @thedollboy to see more of my doll pictures in the meantime. See you next time!